Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below and also check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the grammar corrector and the spelling corrector here in Gmail. Yes, there is a built-in grammar and spelling corrector here in your Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. So of course, the first thing that you'll ever need to do is log into your Gmail account and you will be directed to this page. Then click this settings button and then click see all settings. Once you're here, don't go anywhere, just click or go to general and then scroll down a little bit. As you can see, we have now the grammar and spelling suggestions turned off. So what you're going to do is just click the grammar suggestions on and the spelling suggestions on. And don't forget to click the save changes at the bottom part of the settings so that your changes will be saved. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do smash the like button down below and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you could be updated on our upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you on our next one. Bye!